Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to add old screensavers onto your Windows 11. Okay, so first things first, what you're going to want to do is, I'm going to put the link in the description below, but I'm going to send you Screensaver Planet, and this is where it has every old screensaver, including the maze, the pipes, the aquarium, the legendary maze, and I show how to change the settings. I have another video that should be posted on this, but we're going to be able to get you this back, so that's going to be pretty dope. So yeah, so you're going to download this link here, and I just already put it on there for the 3D maze for you. So yeah, I'm just going to download it here, and once you're finished downloading, you're going to want to extract the file. So just extract it to your downloads folder, or wherever you save your files at. Okay, and then once you have it in your downloads folder, you're going to want to extract the file. Okay, and once you extract the file from the folder, we're going to want to copy, or we're going to move this SCR file. Okay, so we're going to cut it here because I just want to move it completely. You're going to go to your this PC, so you can, and then you're going to click on the Windows folder, and then you're going to paste the screensaver file right in here under the System32 folder. So you click on System32, and then you paste it into the System32 folder there. Okay, and then once you do that, you X out of everything, and then you can either click out of screensaver, and then you can go back to screensaver, the actual program there, and then go select your screensaver, preview, and it should be showing. There we go. We have the maze, and you just rinse and repeat for every screensaver that is on that site. All right, let's get it. Let's go. If you have any other questions, ask me on the next video. Peace.